trying the Revlon one-step dryer. I'm so excited to use this one. There's another one that is similar to this one, and it's called the hairbrush dryer. I have it too, but to me it doesn't work too good for natural hair, so I wanted to try this one that looks like a comb. I think it will be so much easier to use, and I hope it looks better. So before I apply any heat to my hair, I like to use a heat protectant, and this is my favorite, the Tresemme Keratin Smooth, and I'm gonna be applying it everywhere. Okay, so now that my hair is sectioned and ready, I'm gonna be opening this one to see what it looks like because I haven't opened it yet. Okay. So viene en una funda así. So now let's try it and see how it works. Okay guys, so this is the result of the first section and I'm completely amazed. Like really, how cool is this? And it was so fast, it didn't took me more than 3 minutes. It's even easier than the other hair dryer. So like I thought, this one is perfect for natural hair. And let's keep using it to see the final results. I just finished this section and I'm gonna continue with the other one and I'll come back in 1 second. And this is the final results and I like it. It's not gonna be straight because it's not a flat iron, it's just a hair dryer. So to me it looks good. This one is a little frizzier because I didn't feel like doing it so good the other time. I'm tired. But it only took me like 30 minutes to do. It wasn't that bad and it's so easy to use as well, like just like if you combing your hair. So I like it and recommend it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you wanna buy it. Please like this video and subscribe to keep watching videos like this one. Don't forget that I love you very much and I hope to see you in the next video.